Al-Qayyeeem, may Allah have mercy on him, said, Duass, prayers and seeking refuge with Allah are like a weapon, and a weapon is only as good as the person who is using it. It is not merely the matter of how sharp it is. If the weapon is perfect and free of faults, and the arm of the person using it is strong, and there is nothing stopping him, then he can lay waste the enemy. But if any of these three features is lacking, then the effect will be lacking accordingly. From this, we can conclude two things regarding acceptance of Duass. 1. There are certain rules or etiquettes that must be followed while making Duassa. And number 2. There are certain qualities to be fulfilled by the person who is making Duass. So non-compliance of these two things may prevent the Duass from reaching Allah, and must be removed from the person making the Duass and from the Duass itself, to make it become accepted by Allah. In today's episode, we will discuss the 6 things that prevent acceptance of Duass or supplications. If you have not followed us on Instagram and subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to do it now and click on the bell button for more weekly videos. Before we move any further, first look at how Allah answers our Duass. There are 4 ways in which Allah may answer our Duass. Number 1 is, Allah will respond and fulfill the desire of the person who made the Duass. Or He will ward off some evil from him in lieu of the Duass. Or He will make something good easy for him to attain because of his Duass. And lastly, He will save the Duass with him for the day of resurrection, when the person will be most in need of it and give him benefit through it. Now moving on, let's find out the reasons which may prevent Duass from being answered. Number 1 is asking for something inappropriate. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, a person's Duass will continue to be answered so long as he does not pray for something sinful or for the breaking of family ties. This means, when the Duass involves asking for something which is not permitted to ask, for example, if a man asks to live till eternity, or he asks for something haram thing which is not allowed in Islam, or if he prays for death, and other things like that. Number 2 is weak Duass. This may be because the person has weak belief regarding acceptance of Duass, or because of bad manners or etiquettes towards Allah while asking, such as unnecessarily raising voice in Duass, making Duass in arrogance, paying too much attention to the wordings and finding catchy phrases, without paying attention to the actual meaning from his heart, or trying too hard to weep or shout while asking Duass, without really feeling it. Number 3 is having done something forbidden. The reason why his Duass is not answered may be because the person has done something that Allah has forbidden, while not repenting, such as if the stain of sin is still in his heart, if he is following bid'ah, innovation in religion, if his heart has been overtaken by negligence of religion. Number 4 is consuming haram wealth. This is one of the major reasons in our times why Duass are not answered. Having haram wealth, haram food or drink, or even a haram job, will make one's Duass unacceptable before Allah. Number 5 is making the Duass conditional. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, let not any one of you say, O Allah, forgive me, if you will, O Allah, have mercy on me, if you will. Let him be resolute in the matter, whilst knowing that no one can compel Allah to do anything. So it is important not to attach any conditions with your Duass, and always ask Allah with full conviction. And the last reason for non-acceptance of prayers is trying to hasten the response. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, the Duass of any one of you will be answered so long as he is not impatient and says, I made Duass, but it was not answered. The point here is that one cannot dictate the timings for acceptance of Duass to Allah, as He has the best plans for you. It may be that you require that particular thing in a later time frame, or even in the hereafter, more than you need it now. So always be positive, patient and leave the results to Allah. Always remember these points and try yourself and the Duass to be free from all these things. Moreover, also learn the etiquettes of making Duass, which you can find in this next video. May Allah Almighty help us follow the right path, which may lead us to paradise.